I'm bored. I'm going to turn comedy world to business friendly. Ha 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 ha. Yes, I feel the change.
Oh my God, is there an earthquake?
Why is the house shaking?
What's happening?
Oh, cailou, how dare you turn comedy world to business friendly? That's it. You're grounded for 56 years. Go to bed now.
Man, I'm so angry that cailou turned comedy world to business friendly. I will bring back comedy world. I feel the change.
An earthquake again.
What's happening? No, it's here.
Rosie, we're so glad you brought comedy world back. You are ungrounded forever. Go do whatever you want.
Toys R Us, here I come.